Today's video is about reasoning section, okay, which will be helpful for your SBI PO Prelims 2026. So as you all know, previously I did few topics in quants like approximation and quadratic equation. Now I will continue reasoning section, but unlike in quant, I will do overall mock, sectional mock, because quant, generally being a science background, I used to write only for AFO. So with regard to cutoff, I planned only few topics, like I have not prepared every topic in quant, only which I can get like 20 to 25 marks, so that I can clear overall cutoff. So I practice only approximation or simplification, number series, quadratic equations and DI, okay, mostly these topics, and few arithmetics like ages and partnership, like that, okay. But I'm not used to solve entire full topics and solve 30 by 30 or 35 by 35. If it is SO 40 by 40, not all topics, okay. So I thought of picking topics which I'm good at, so that I can explain better to you, okay. But coming to reasoning section, reasoning is my scoring topic, and obviously in this SBI, when I've seen the previous year's papers, there are no statement based questions, like you can say analytic, critical reasoning, such type of questions, like normal puzzles, syllogisms, inequalities, alphanumeric series, okay, whatever it is there. So I thought now for SBI PO prelims, 30 questions will be of reasoning. So what I thought is, since I can't do at a stretch, I can't do the entire paper, okay, because I have to explain to you. So what I thought is, I will do the paper in sectional paper, okay. I will not pick up topics like first syllogisms, first inequalities, okay, not like quant, but here I will directly I will take the previous year marks and I will solve, okay. So what I did is, I will solve this paper like 30 questions in two parts, 15 questions in part 1, 15 questions in part 2, okay. I hope this is only because of my health condition, okay, since I can't sit and do video at a time. So I hope you understand it, okay. See, reasoning is very easy, not because I feel like easy, but comparatively to quant, if we practice, if we keep same time and effort for reasoning, we can score good marks, because only challenging part is puzzles. If we got a good grip in puzzles, we can get out of 30, we can 100% accuracy, we can do. So now I will solve 15 questions in front of you all. So now this paper, okay, without any delay I will solve this. So this explanation is because only I want to solve directly paper, because every topic is equal to me for me in reasoning. So I will do paper directly, sectional. So this is this paper is from textbook subscription, okay, that is SBI PO prelims mana August 4th, last year August, shift 1 paper, okay, memory based paper, not like exactly the words and all. So similar type of questions, okay. So first I will solve 15. Hope it will be useful for you, okay. Either try to follow the video, otherwise see only to directly why I'm showing this paper. I don't know if I get any what they will say, any complaint or whatever it is, but I thought directly I will show it on the screen, so that it will take less time, okay. Sorry. So now directly I will show these questions. If you are good at if you want to do only practice and not interested in video, try to take the screenshot or pause the video and practice by yourself, okay. Now see, without any delay I will start the video. First I will read. So first is the puzzles. In general, out of 30 questions, first everyone, especially those who are attempting for the first time, try to attempt miscellaneous questions, okay. First, initially only don't pick the puzzles, okay, because if you get stuck at puzzles, your entire sectional will go wrong. You can't keep more questions. So first attempt syllogisms or blood relations, inequalities, directions, whatever it is, alphanumeric series, okay. Last, after attempting all miscellaneous other topics, then go for puzzles. But now since I'm explaining to you and there is no time limit, I will start as it is. Okay, so first questions is the box puzzle. Okay, personally I feel box is an easy to moderate. Okay, in general easy only, but if you are at initial stages also, you will feel like easy to moderate, because only there will be two factors, I mean two criteria, you can say two factors. Okay, that is box position and box names. Okay, so in the first question, like box puzzles, we have, like they have given 9 boxes A B C D E F G H I. So A to I I mean letters are there and the box position, so only two factors are there and we need to solve the puzzle. So always try to read the entire puzzle in one go, and then try to note down the hints or memorize the hints and then arrange the puzzle. Now what I will do is, I will do solve parallelly. Okay, how I will do in exam. Okay, now see, A to I are stacked one above the other. See, one above the other means in this way. 9 boxes kada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So when you are doing on the paper, try to improve your speed. Okay. I don't draw slowly or okay. Because you can understand your own handwriting. So in exam, try to write in a speed way, so that you can, otherwise try to remember in your mind also, but in your initial stages I suggest you to note down the hints. Okay, after good practice then try to remember in your mind. Okay, now see, 9 boxes one above the other. Okay, in this way. Okay, now తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ బాక్స్ ఎఫ్ ఈస్ పొజిషన్ ఇమీడియట్లీ అబౌవ్ జీ. ఓకే, బాక్స్ ఎఫ్ ఈస్ పొజిషన్ immediately above G. See, immediately above, immediately below. Now this is G. Immediately above means F is immediately. Okay, there are no gap between the boxes between F and G. Immediately above means here, immediately below means here. If they say above, okay, if they not see, these terminologies are important, because one mistake in the puzzle, your entire puzzle will go wrong. Okay, one hint if you take wrong, entire puzzle will go wrong. Now here they said immediately above means directly you should write here. Again, don't keep any boxes, okay, between them. If they say above means you can write anywhere here. If they said below, anywhere you can write, but if they mention immediately, then you should write adjacent to it. Okay, next to it, either above or below. If they say above, up. If they say below, down. Okay, so this is the first hint. Okay, F is position immediately above G. Next, there are exactly 3 boxes between A and B. So 3 boxes between A and B. Okay, see, I'm not directly writing here because we don't know the order, so better to write the hints at one side. Okay, and then, because if you take here, write here, and if the possibility is wrong, again crossing and rubbing, it will look clumsy and you will get confused. In general exam lo, you will have little bit tension also, so try to write somewhere, don't club here. Okay, now A to B, so you will have a doubt why to write A here and B. Anywhere you can write either A3 B, I mean B to A or A to B. Sometimes they will give which one is above, sometimes they will say only this many boxes are there between them. Okay, for now I will take this possibility. Okay, A 3 boxes is there. Okay, next, 2 boxes are placed between C and D, where D is positioned immediately above B. Now see here, immediately above B. Immediately above means here definitely it should be D, because they have given. Now what they have said, 2 boxes are there between D and C. So if can I write here 1 2 ante, I cannot write here because A is there, so definitely I should write 1 2 and D here, because 2 boxes are there between D and C. Okay, I hope you are getting. Next, box E is placed immediately above A. Now immediately above A, E is placed here. So with this hint, how many boxes we got ante 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in here we have got 9 box and only 1 box is left, that may be either above E or below C. Okay, next we will go with another hint. Okay, now there is exactly 1 box between H and I, and box I is placed somewhere below H. Now one box is there between H and I, okay, and I is placed below H, okay, somewhere below H, but only one box is there. Now see, here 8 boxes are there, only one box is remaining, and so we can write H and I anywhere, but this F and G we should write together. So where F and G is possible? Only these two places, because they are placed immediately above and below each other. So here F and G, I hope you are getting, because I can't write F, since here one box I can write, I can't write F here, because if I write F here, down it should be G. If I write F here, again down I can write G, but it will become 10 boxes. So this F and G here, and remaining H and I. Now see, I can write H only here because H is above I, so this is I, so remaining box here. So total 9 boxes finished. I hope you are getting. See, since I got in one possibility, I will write again. I will don't copy here. Sometimes we should, some hints will not be there, we have to write, but here only we got that in a one row kabatti we will directly solve the question. So our order is E, A, F, G, D, B, H, C, I. Okay, if you are good, if you have good practice, you can solve this question in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm saying with answers also, within 1 to 1.5 you should arrange the boxes, and after in 30 seconds you should answer the all 5 questions whatever they will give. Once you get the puzzles, you shouldn't take not more than 2 to 3 seconds for one questions, because they will be easy. Once you get the puzzle diagram, it is easy to answer. Now they have said as many boxes kept above G is as same as below. Ante G above how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 ante 1, 2, 3. So below B is same as above G. So below B. Okay, next, which one is odd? EG. So EG, which one odd means different than the other 4 options. Okay, one option will be different from the other 4 options. Odd meaning means that 4 will be same, 1 will be of different. Okay, now E and G. First option E and G. So here E and G, 2 boxes are there between them. F and B, 2 boxes are there between them. G and H, 2 boxes are there between G and H. D and H, only one box is there. So this is the odd. Okay, mostly this odd one out, mostly it will be of based on my experience in general, because it should take some time. They will not keep it second or third. Mostly they will keep at 4th or 5th position only. Okay, next, which among the following is kept at the lowest? I. Next, how many boxes are kept between F and I? F and I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 4. Okay. Next, which one is definitely correct? Definitely correct means 100%. Okay. H is immediately above I, wrong, because C is there. A is 2 boxes above box G. Above G, 2 boxes ante 1, 2. Okay, maybe this 2 boxes above ante ఇది only 1 box above, 1 box above A ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది wrong. D is adjacent to H, ఇది కూడా wrong. Okay, because B is there. Adjacent అన్న immediate అన్న next to each other అన్న same. 1 box is there between G and I. Okay, 1 box is between G and I. Okay, so 3 wrong. So okay, here we can take second option, because A is 2 boxes above means if we take boxes, okay, so 2 boxes kada, idi G, 2 boxes above A is there. Okay, these terminologies, if you have any doubt, go for the other options. If other options, we know that other options, see, sometimes, now see, I thought 1 box above, but here said 2 boxes. Okay, you can cross check with the other options. If you feel like other 4 options are completely wrong, then you can go with this terminology. Okay, generally 2 boxes above or below, 2 boxes in between. Okay, be careful with this type of terminology. I hope you understood this puzzle. Okay, this definitely, I mean, mostly you will see 1 box based puzzles, and which is easy to moderate and scoring topic. Okay, comparative to other puzzles. Okay, next also it is about puzzles only. See, this personally I feel age based puzzles, this they will give the years, little bit moderate to difficult, I would say, because we should calculate the ages. Okay, whatever they will give, and they will give certain year anamata, reference year. With that year we should calculate their age, and then we have to keep their position anamata. So little bit time taking, okay, because sometimes we get stuck at one thing, forget about accuracy, it will consume lot of time, okay. So I suggest, if you want to attempt puzzles after miscellaneous, try to solve such type of puzzle, age based puzzles at last, okay. First try to solve circular arrangement or linear arrangement or floor based puzzles, okay, or box based puzzles, okay. Unless you are confident about age based puzzles, then go for it, okay. Now I will solve this mana age based puzzles. Now 8 friends are there, P to W. So 8 I will write here, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I'm writing in big way because I should take possibility kada, because at one go it is difficult to get, okay. Next, so here I will take the, so here years, what they have said is joined their jobs in different years. Here not age but joining of year. So this is definite, and here this will not change. So I will write here 1950. In exam I will do in this way only, 55 58 62. See, these are the joining years, okay. For understanding purpose I am writing. In exam I will not write, only I will write the years: 62 69 74 83 97 and 2008. So these are the years they have given, like they joined this AP to W, they have joined in these different years but not necessarily in the same order. And the experience they calculated based on 2025. So here this is the experienced year, 2025 they have given reference year. So we should calculate, because some people directly they will calculate, they will not write these values, I mean these years, directly they will do minus, like 2025 55 means how much, 65 75 80 90 2001 15, so 70 years, okay. So directly they write 17 and all. But believe me, some questions they will give with the hints, whatever the hints they will give, they will not only they will give these hints, but they will give hint related to the years, like year they joined, even, odd, or whatever it is. So it is better to write years also, okay. Unless you are so confident that you can remember in your mind, then it's okay. But I personally suggest you to write the year also. Hardly it will take 20 to 30 seconds, okay. But if you write it clearly, you can get the puzzle at one attempt, okay, one go. Now 70 years, okay, 55 to 2025 means 70 years, 55 to 3 years ante 67, okay. Itla age mana experience it will decrease as age mana andante 58 plus 62 means 4 years ante 63, 7 years ante 56, 69 plus 5 ante 51, 74 plus 83 అంటే 9 years, 42 అంతేనా, 42, 83 97 83 93 14 years, 14 years అంటే 32 28 years, అంటే 97 అంటే 11 years కదా, 11 years అంటే 17, okay. So these are the years they got experience in joining that particular job anamata. So ఇది very important, okay. These years are mainly important because the hints they will give, mostly 80% hints will be based on these years, like their multiples, their addition, their subtraction, combining two, okay. But write this also, because sometimes they will give. So this is the first thing you have to write while reading the puzzle. Now we will take the clue or hint, okay. Now T joined the job 5 years earlier than you. Now T joined earlier than you means, T joined earlier than you means 5 years earlier, means before 5 years of joining you, T joined. So the difference between their experience should be 5 years kada. So with whatever the years they have given, we will see how many 5 years are there. For example, first two persons 3 years, next second and third person 4, 58 by 62. In this way we will write anamata, 5 years, 9 years, 14, 11. So luckily only 5 years gap is there. So definitely it should be T and U. Okay, T and U, because only these 2 years has 5 years difference, means experience difference is 5 years, that is 51, 56, and they have given that T joined before 5 years of joining U. Okay, T joined the job 5 years. We joined the job in an even numbered year but not in 1962. See, this is again a hint related to year, the joining year. See, even number means 58, so possibility 58, 62, 74, 2008. These are the even years of joining, but in hint they have given that it is not, but not 1962. So 1962 chance is not there, and obviously 74 U is already there. So here no. So only 2 possibilities are there for V. So I will take another, another possibility. So here definitely T and U should be there, and I have V possibility of joining in 2 places. So I will write V here. One is 58 and another is 2008. Okay, this is the second possibility. Okay, if you can remember in your mind, then okay, but I suggest you to write possibility also, because if one goes wrong, again no need to copy again doing entire diagram beside only, because another like third factor is not there, like their locations or their favorite item or position, nothing like that, only persons kabatti it's better to write immediately beside the another possibility. Okay, next ikkade next time icharu 3 people joined between years of P and Q, where P joined before Q. Now 3 people are there between P and Q and P joined before Q. So where we can take P and Q means, if we take P here, Q will not come. P here 1, 2, 3, Q we can write here. Okay, but P can't. So here 2 possibilities are there. Here also 2 possibilities we will get, but we will go for other clue. Okay, but remember that 3 people are there, 3 people joined between P and Q. Okay, next, the experience of U is multiple of 17 but not less than 50. So experience of U is 70, multiple of 17 means, see already we got U with first hint they have given 17 multiple. So 17 3s are 51 and it is not less than 50. So it is matching with the hint 51 more than 50. So this is the correct. Okay, U we placed correctly based on the first hint itself. Okay, now 2 persons joined between Q and W, and W did not join at the latest year. So Q and W 2 persons are there, but W not latest year. Latest year means 2008. Okay, so we should not place W in the latest year. Okay, and 2 persons are there between Q and W. We can write Q and W or Q up and below, because they didn't mention which one is above or which one is below. Okay, but we will see here W no possible because not latest year. If we write W here, we can't write Q here because already T is there. Same here also, if we write W here, we can't write Q. So here also W not possible. Okay, even if you write Q here, this position is already filled. So now I can write Q and W in only these positions. Now I will see, if I write Q here, 2 positions, W I can't write here. If I write here Q, okay, see we will go with another hints, because again 2 possibilities ఉన్నాయి కదా. Q ఇక్కడ రాస్తే W here will come. If I write W here, Q. So again we will go with, since I didn't finish the puzzle, we'll go with other hints. Okay, maybe if we can fix any position or not. The experience of S is equal to sum of the experience of R and Q. Now they have said that experience of S is equal to sum of experience of R. Sum means addition. Okay, R plus Q. So whatever the experiences these 2 will have, it should come here. So obviously whatever the experience we have left ante 70, 63, 42, 28. Okay, if we take if we write V here, 17 will be remaining if we take V 17, but these numbers are fixed. Now we should add 2 numbers such that we should get the third number. Now see, if we write 17 and 28, what we will get? 7, 7, 14, 15, 55. but 55 is not there. If we calculate 42 plus 28, we should check in that way, in a speed way. Now 42 plus 28 means 8, 10, 4, 70. So here 70 is there. So these two numbers, it will definitely fit anamata. So experience of S will definitely be 70. Here 42 plus 28, but we don't know which one is 42, which one is 28, but S is definitely 70 anamata. So S we will write here, S. Okay, now we are left with P and Q. Okay, and also R. Now we will take now since entire puzzle has finished, we will take with Q and W clue. Okay, now we can write Q here, two possibilities. If we write W here, what will happen ante Q 2 persons W. Okay, next. Acha, here one more clue undi kada. Sorry, I forgot this clue. See, Q, now two clues are related with Q. One is 3 members are there between P and Q, and 2 members are there between Q and W. Now if I write Q, I can't write because P is above kada. So here it will not come. Definitely P should be here. 1, 2, 3. Q ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, but W I can't write here. So I hope you understand this, but please don't get confused. I forgot this hint anamata. Okay, so it will not come here definitely. So definitely P should come here because 3 kada. 1, 2, 3. Q and W 1, 2 here. So remaining ఏముంది letter P, Q, R. So R is 28, Q is 42 anamata. Okay, I hope you understand. R is 28, Q is 42. So this is the, hardly believe me, if you write, clumsy explaining, it is taking time. But when I practiced, I got this puzzle in 2 minutes only. Okay, while explaining, I forgot this hint anamata. So this is the final arrangement. Okay, S, P, W, T, U, Q, R, V. Okay, once you understand, practice the logic puzzles, you will feel that magic, with in first attempt only, first possibility only you will get the answers. Okay, now we will solve the questions. Which among the following is correct statement? Q joined in 1997. 83 wrong. 3 people joined before you. 1, 2, 3, 4 joined, so wrong. You have thrice the experience of V. You have thrice the experience of V. This is correct because 17 3 times kada. So this one is right. Next, how many people joined before Q? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members, more than 4. Next, difference between the experiences of W and Q. Q experiences enta 63 minus WQ kada. 63 minus 42 ante 21. Next, which one is odd? Means which one is different from the other 4? P, W, U, R, V. అచ్చా, ర్యాండమ్గా ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇక్కడ 2 గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది. అచ్చా, మేబీ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అనుకుంటా. ఆడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇయర్. P is 61 years experience, odd. W 63 odd. U is odd again 51. R is even 28. Again V is odd. So R is the answer. Experience is even number. See, you need to be careful with that. Okay. Next, which among the following joined in 1955? 1955 first person S. So this is the puzzle. Okay. Don't get confused. A little bit explain చేస్తున్నా కాబట్టి అన్నీ రాసా. But when you do individually, neatly, అంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది నీట్గా obviously, you will get in 2 minutes only. It will take time because only if you write these numbers correct, addition, subtraction, with reference years, if you can write, you can solve the puzzle in 2 because with only 2 possibilities lone వచ్చేసింది మనకి. Okay, next, syllogisms, one of my favorite topic and easy as a scoring topic ante reasoning, inequalities and then syllogisms. Okay, definitely we can see 3 questions and 3 to 5 questions in any banking exams. I based on my experience, if I take SO, AFO or other previous years papers chusna, syllogisms are there. Okay, so don't skip this syllogisms part, okay? With less time more marks anamata. Such topic is syllogism. So first we will solve this ikkada. Only few vivo are cards. Only few vivo are cards. ఇది skip అయిపోతుందా? ఇదేనా నేనే few vivos are cards. I can't keep here, ఇది మళ్ళీ టచ్ అవుతుందని. Okay, alright. Few vivos are cards, some bike are vivo, some bike are vivo. Okay, next, no data is car, no data is car. I hope everyone will do mostly ఇట్లనే డయాగ్రామ్ వేసుకుంటారు. I will do in this way only. I will write only first letter. If అంటే సేమ్ లెటర్స్ లైక్ వర్డ్స్ స్టార్టింగ్ సేమ్ లేకపోతే I will write in this way only. Okay, this is the diagram. Now we will see the conclusion. Obviously questions, okay, they will ask which one is అంటే follows అనే ఇస్తారు, not wrong అని అన్నారు. మోస్ట్లీ which one follows అని ఇస్తారు. Okay, next, first, at least some see syllogisms, all the only difficult part is understanding the terminologies. If you understand the terminology you can easily keep the answers. Okay, here they have given at least some vivo or data, means at least some are vivo and data. See here vivo is the here data, no relation. Okay, vivo is here, data is here. So always remember that no relation. Okay, no relation state conclusions with positive statements. Okay, I mean no relation statements with positive conclusions always end up at false. Okay, always false. Okay, try to remember, even if it's at least, some, few, whatever the terminologies they will use, always no related statements. Okay, statements which are not related to each other, they should not end up with positive conclusions. Okay, if they have given positive conclusions to the statements which are not related, they are false. Okay, so first conclusion is wrong. Okay, because there is no relation between vivo and data. Next, all cars being bike is a possibility. If I take all cars being bike, okay, so all cars means in this way. Okay, if I keep car entirely in the bike, then it is whether it is possible or not. Possibility means any chance. Okay, see I can keep, so any chance means you should fit that possibility unless if there is no affecting other statements. See, if I keep mana cars in entire cars in bike, will I get other statement disturb ante? No, because see few vivo and car means here I can write, I can combine these two, so there is no effect anamata statement. Some bikes are vivo, some bikes are vivo, no disturb. So data car no relation, so okay, so there is a possibility, so two follows. I hope you are getting. Okay, if I should neat ga rayali ante for you to understand, is screen see, if I write entire C here, my statements will not go wrong, because see vivos are car, few vivos are car. If I can club here, right, ఇలా క్లబ్ చేస్తే కార్ కూడా ఫ్యూ అవుతుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్, సమ్ బైక్స్ ఆర్ వివోస్, నో డేటా ఇస్ కార్, డేటా కార్. If I keep no relation also, no problem, because in statement they have not given bike and data relation. So this only two follows anamata. Okay, hardly it will take 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, diagram oka 10 seconds, answer oka 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, next, few sitara are chanda. Acha, sitara suraj 2 ఉన్నాయి s తో. Okay, క్వశ్చన్ పెడుతుంటే ఇది పోతుంది, ఇది పెడుతుంటే క్వశ్చన్ పోతుంది. ఓకే, ఫ్యూ సితారా, ఇంకా ట్యాబ్ మీద పెట్టాను. ఫ్యూ సితారా ఆర్ చంద్, సమ్ చంద్ ఆర్ సూరజ్, సమ్ సూరజ్ ఆర్ ప్లానెట్. ఓకే, ఇది డయాగ్రామ్. కంక్లూషన్స్ వచ్చేసరికి ఆల్ సితారా కెన్ నెవర్ బి సూరజ్. Again, Sitara and Suraj, no direct relations. Okay, so no direct relations, positive statement. And can never be, ante we can't say. Can never means 100% wrong ani, but we can't say because there is no direct relation. So again, wrong statement, wrong conclusion. at least some sitara and planet. Again, sitara, planet, no relation is there. How we can say at least? So this is also wrong. So neither one or two follows. Okay, I hope you understand. You are understanding. Okay, next, few July or March. Okay. Few July or March. No March is April. Next, some April or May. Okay, few July or March. No March is April. Some April is May. Now conclusions. All July or April. July, April, no relation. So wrong. Next, some July are not April. Okay, see, some people, without checking the second conclusion, if they see the both, two same, like July, April, all, some not, they will go for either. But to get the either one or two, you should definitely have both conclusions false anamata. First you need to check whether they are right or wrong. If only both are wrong, and if they have same two things, then you should go for either or else neither. But first it's first the conclusion should be wrong anamata. First is already wrong. Second name ichcharante some July or not April. Okay, some July, see, some July or March kada, and those March is definitely not April. So this is right anamata. Okay, this statement is right. Okay, this conclusion is right anamata, because some July which are March are not April. So ikkada enti second follows anamata, two follows. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Okay, don't directly time save చేయాలని చెప్పి July April all some not ఉందని, because all some not few some not itla they will go directly with either anamata. Don't go that. Before going to either and neither statements, try to check whether both the conclusions are right or wrong. Okay, next, one more puzzle. So already it's 14th question, 36 minutes ayinda. It's okay, I will solve this puzzles also. Obviously puzzle ante 5 questions ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి I will stop this video with this puzzle anamata. So 7 individuals are seated circular table. ఇది మై ఫేవరెట్ టాపిక్. సర్క్యులర్ అరేంజ్ ఈజీ ఉంటుంది కంపారిటివ్లీ. స్క్వేర్స్ అండ్ ఈ ఫ్లోర్స్లో ఫ్లాట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ డిఫికల్ట్. సో సర్క్యులర్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ కాబట్టి, సో సర్క్యులర్ హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్ 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ఎగ్జామ్లో మీరు స్పీడ్గా డ్రా చేయాలన్నమాట ఇట్లా. ఓకే, స్పీడ్ అంటే టైం లెస్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ప్రాక్టీస్ దట్ విల్ ఓన్లీ ఇంక్రీజ్. ఆ స్పీడ్ అనేది ప్రాక్టీస్తో వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, 7 individuals L to Z are seated around a circular table for a strategic discussion and all of them face a center. So here is this the good thing, and each one is associated with different city. Okay, Mumbai and all. See, again this is also easy question, like easy to moderate only 3 factors: persons, seating position and location. Okay, if they give different centers like inside outside ante malli inkoncham challenging ga untundi, but luckily they have said that all of them faces centers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So all of them are facing center. Now we will take the hints anamata. Z, who is from Kolkata, is seated exactly between the persons from Delhi and Lucknow. Since all are facing directions, I can take Z is Kolkata is definite. So I can take anywhere because all of them are facing center kada. So I will take here. అంటే జనరల్గా యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీవేర్. ఐ విల్ టేక్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ ఇన్సైడ్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ లెటర్స్, అవుట్ సైడ్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ లొకేషన్స్. ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కదా. సెడ్ కోల్కత్తా. So for explaining I am writing here. In exam only write first letter or at least 2 to 3 letters which you అంటే మీ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ బట్టి అనమాట. అగైన్ డోంట్ రైట్ ఎంటైర్ అండ్ టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోకండి. ఓకే, జెడ్ కోల్కత్తా. ఓకే, సో జెడ్ ఈజ్ సీటెడ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ బిట్వీన్ ఢిల్లీ అండ్ లక్నో. సో ఐ విల్ రైట్ హియర్ ఢిల్లీ అండ్ Lucknow. See, anywhere you can write. You can take second possibilities because sitting between Delhi and Lucknow ante here it will come. Otherwise ikkada itla 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Z Kolkata, Lucknow and Delhi. Okay, ఇలా ఏదైనా 2 ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఫస్ట్ ఇన్స్టింక్ట్స్ అనమాట. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు mostly your first instinct will go right anamata. So first I will take this possibility, okay, and then I will go with the other possibility. For now I will take this possibility. We will check whether a possibility, if it is wrong, then we will go for other possibilities. But try to remember in your mind, or if you can, if you are good at drawing at speed, then do parallelly, okay. But since ఓన్లీ లొకేషన్సే కాబట్టి నాట్ మోర్ దెన్ 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కాబట్టి మోస్ట్లీ ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీలోనే వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. విల్ గో విత్ ది నెక్స్ట్ క్లూస్. ద పర్సన్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ఢిల్లీ సిట్స్ థర్డ్ టు ద The person connected to Delhi sits third to the left of the one who seated immediately to the left of L. So what they have said is Delhi ante ikkada. So Delhi is sitting third to the left ante 1 2 3 ఇది థర్డ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్, ఇది లెఫ్ట్ 1 2 3 థర్డ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్సన్ హూ సిట్స్ ఇమీడియట్లీ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్. సో ఎల్ ఇమీడియట్లీ మీన్స్ ఇమీడియట్లీ నెక్స్ట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ అనమాట. సో దిస్ పర్సన్, సో ఢిల్లీ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ థర్డ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్ అనమాట. ఓకే, బీ కేర్ఫుల్ విత్ దిస్ టర్మినాలజీ. సో ఢిల్లీ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ థర్డ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ లెఫ్ట్ టు ఎల్ అనమాట. ఓకే, next, the individual associated with Jaipur is seated next to V, who is positioned fourth to the right of Z. First we will see, because since we have Z, fourth to the right of Z, 1 2 3 4 ante V ikkada. Okay, so V is here 1 2 3 4 correct. And V ikkada em ichadante individual associated with Jaipur seated next to V. Next to means either right or left. Okay, అంటే 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఇక్కడ. ఐదర్ ట్రై టు రిమెంబర్ ఇన్ బ్రెయిన్, లేకపోతే ఓన్లీ నేను టూర్ కదా విల్ రైట్ డిస్టెన్స్ అనమాట. సో దట్ ఆఫ్టర్ నోయింగ్ అదర్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఐ కెన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుట్ అనమాట. సో జైపూర్ ఐ విల్ గెట్ హియర్ ఆర్ హియర్ అనమాట, బికాస్ సిటెడ్ నెక్స్ట్ టు వి విచ్ ఈస్ సిటెడ్ ఫోర్త్ ఫ్రమ్ ది రైట్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ అనమాట. ఓకే, next, M is linked with Chennai. So M is from Chennai and is seated directly between the persons, okay, associated with Mumbai and T. So M is seated between Mumbai and T. Okay, now see what are the positions. See, M is from Chennai, so I should have place and location vacant. Here location is there, only place person is vacant, so no chance ikkada, no chance ikkada, location already undi only. Okay, only these two positions are vacant. Okay, person vacant, location vacant. Okay, but here possibility of Jaipur is there. So first we will consider here, for example, if I write M here, and that M should be between Mumbai and T kada, ikkada already position fix undi. If I write Mumbai here, T will come here. Okay, ala you can check the possibilities. Okay, Mumbai and T, here one possibility undi. Ikkada if I write M here, ikkada Mumbai ledu, see already Kolkata undi. L I cannot write here. If I write Mumbai here, T acha M Chennai kada. Okay, if I write M Chennai here, Mumbai I can't write here. Mumbai ikkada rayochu, T ikkada rayochu. So 2 possibilities are there. So what we will not again malli 2 possibilities rayakunda we go for the next possibility. I hope you are getting. Okay, 1 possibilities is there means we can write, but here see, if we write M here, we can write Mumbai here, we can write T here. If I write M here, I can write Mumbai here and I can write T here. So 2 possibilities kabatti I will go with the next clue. నెక్స్ట్, వి ఈజ్ నాట్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ ముంబై అంటే వి ముంబైతో ఏ రకంగా అసోసియేట్ కాదు. అంటే ఇఫ్ ఐ రైట్ ఎమ్ హియర్ ఢిల్లీ ఉంది అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కీప్ ఎమ్ హియర్ ఐ షుడ్ రైట్ ముంబై, బట్ వి ఈజ్ నాట్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ ముంబై. సో డెఫినెట్లీ నాకు ఎమ్ ఇక్కడే వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ విత్ ది నెక్స్ట్ క్లూ. ఓకే, సో ఎమ్ ఇక్కడ అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ ముంబై ఇక్కడ రావాలి and T should be here because ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ లొకేషన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ముంబై T and M is from చెన్నై. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ జైపూర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ముంబై వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సో హియర్ జైపూర్ అనమాట. ఓకే, విత్ హింట్స్లో మీకు పాసిబిలిటీస్ లెస్ అవుతాయి అనమాట. సో ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ అనమాట. 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్లో వై ఐ రోట్ ఎమ్ హియర్ అంటే V is not associated with Mumbai కాబట్టి obviously I should write M here so that location ఇక్కడ T ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలన్నమాట. సో నెక్స్ట్ హింట్, ద పర్సన్ ఫ్రమ్ భోపాల్ ఈజ్ సీటెడ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్. ఓకే, ఇమీడియట్ ద లాస్ట్ హింట్ కదా ఇది. ద పర్సన్ ఫ్రమ్ భోపాల్ ఈజ్ సీటెడ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్. ఎస్ హూ ఈజ్ లింక్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది జైపూర్. సో ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ జైపూర్ అనమాట. సో ఆల్రెడీ జైపూర్ మనకు తెలుసు. సో ఎస్ ఇక్కడ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిమైనింగ్ పర్సన్ అంటే ఎల్ క్యూ కదా, క్యూ. సో ఆల్ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ ఫిక్స్డ్. Now what they said, persons from Bhopal is seated immediately to the left of S. Immediately to the left of S అంటే V Bhopal. See, ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీలో నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ అనమాట. ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఇట్లా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు, ఈవెన్ దో ఐ ప్రాక్టీస్ బిఫోర్ ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్ వన్ పాసిబిలిటీ బికాస్ సింగిల్ డైరెక్షన్ ఓన్లీ లొకేషన్స్ వీ షుడ్ పొజిషన్ అనమాట. సో మ్యాక్సిమం ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీలోనే వస్తుంది అగైన్. ఓకే, నేను అంతేగాని ఐ డిడెంట్ బై హార్ట్ లైక్ లక్నో ఇక్కడ ఢిల్లీ ఇక్కడ అలా కాదు, యూనో ఇన్ జనరల్. బట్ అగైన్ జైపూర్ హియర్. ఓకే, లెస్ పాసిబిలిటీస్, వన్ డయాగ్రామ్ యూ కెన్ ఫిట్. ఇది మీ ఇఫ్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ టు నో దిస్ లాజిక్ అనమాట. నో వీ విల్ సాల్వ్ ది క్వశ్చన్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈస్ ఐ థాట్ కంప్లీట్ విత్ ఇన్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్, ఇట్ టుక్ 45 minutes. See already 12:36 AM night I was doing night out, sleep కూడా వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, which of the following statement is definitely true? Okay, definitely true means 100%. The person from Bhopal sits immediate right of M. M immediate right Bhopal, wrong. M is seated between Mumbai and Delhi. M is seated from Mumbai and Lucknow కాబట్టి wrong. Q sits third to the left of the person from Chennai. Q is third to the left of Chennai. Q, Chennai ఇక్కడ ఉంది. 1 2 3 correct. Q is third to the left of Chennai. Next, odd one out. Which one is different from the 4? L Jaipur. L ఇక్కడ ఉంది, జైపూర్ ఆల్టర్నేటా. నెక్స్ట్ M భోపాల్. M భోపాల్. అచ్చా, సి ఈ టూ ఆల్టర్నేట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. హౌ ఆల్టర్నేట్ అంటే పర్సన్ ఫస్ట్ ఏంటిది ఎల్ జైపూర్ కదా, ఎల్ జైపూర్ అంటే లొకేషన్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్, అంతే కదా, 1 2. సో ఎల్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్, జైపూర్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్. M భోపాల్. భోపాల్ ఈజ్ 1 2 సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ M, రైట్. V ఢిల్లీ. V ఈజ్ మన ఢిల్లీ ఈజ్ సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ V, కరెక్ట్. Q కోల్కత్తా. Q కోల్కత్తా నెక్స్ట్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇదే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, హూ అమాంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ సీటెడ్ సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ ఢిల్లీ అంటే సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ ఢిల్లీ. ఢిల్లీ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాం, ఢిల్లీ సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ 1 2 అంటే లక్నో టీ. టీ దే కెన్ గివ్ పర్సన్ లేదా లొకేషన్. ఓకే, బట్ సెకండ్ టు ద రైట్ ఈస్ టీ ఆర్ లక్నో, టీ. నెక్స్ట్ 17th క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ పేర్స్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్లీ మ్యాచ్డ్? M ముంబై. M చెన్నై కదా, ముంబై ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఓకే, పక్కన ఉందా? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ S కోల్కత్తా. S జైపూర్ కాదు. V భోపాల్. V భోపాల్. అచ్చా, సేమ్ రైట్ ఉన్నది పెట్టాలి. V భోపాల్. వి విల్ చెక్ విత్ అదర్ ఆప్షన్స్ కూడా. Z చెన్నై. Z కోల్కత్తా. Q లక్నో. సో రాంగ్. సో రైట్ అనమాట, ప్లేస్ అనేది V భోపాల్, కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్, హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ హూ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ జైపూర్ అండ్ V ఫ్రమ్ ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ V? ఇది కూడా టర్మినాలజీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సమ్టైమ్స్ దే విల్ సే క్లాక్ వైజ్, యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్. ఓకే, నవ్ హియర్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ రైట్ కాబట్టి V రైట్ ఎవరున్నారు? జైపూర్. అండ్ దే ఆస్డ్ జైపూర్ కాబట్టి ఇమీడియట్ కాబట్టి నో వన్ ఈస్ దేర్ అంటే నన్ను. ఓకే, ఓకే, ఇది నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చూద్దాం, క్లాస్ కాదు. ఓకే, 18 questions I completed in the first part. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు ఇంప్రూవ్ ద స్పీడ్ అనమాట. హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ అనుకున్నాను అండ్ ఇట్ ఎండ్ అప్ అట్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 50 minutes. I hope these videos are helping you in your preparation. Okay, if you feel like your time is getting wasted, at least try to take, if you have subscription no problem, అంటే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ go and solve the mark. Otherwise try to take screenshot or pause the video and practice. Okay, don't delay, యూనో తర్వాత సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అని చెప్పి స్క్రీన్ అట్లా డిలే చేయకుండా టేక్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఓకే, అట్లీస్ట్ యూనో ఫర్ రీజనింగ్ స్కోరింగ్ టాపిక్ కాబట్టి అట్లీస్ట్ ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ 1 sectional మార్క్. ఓకే, పర్ డే till prelims exam if your target is SBI Prio. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.